Okay, so today we need to do our view tab. Yes, in the previous class we had a review tab. In review, what we had discussed? We had discussed spelling, treasures, workbook statistics. In workbook statistics, we see um, how many cells are filled with the data, how many formulas are applied in a sheet. Yeah, these kind of data we usually observe in workbook statistics, like sheet number, cell with data, yes, tables, formulas, etc. etc. Also, we had seen that what is comment, how to do it, translate, protect sheet, allow edit ranges, and hide ink. We had discussed already. And now view tab. In view tab, actually, in this we see that there are how many ways we can look on our sheet. Okay, number one is normal, as you are seeing it. Yeah, page break review. Here what you observe, that all the grid lines are gone. All the grid lines are gone. Yes. What in page layout tab? Page layout tab, we see A4 sheets. Yes, A4 sheets. And custom view tab, you can custom your view, that how you want data to be presented and how you want your sheet to be presented. Yes. Okay. Acha. Page layout tab only contains this ruler option. Okay. And in normal view, ruler option is gone. Okay. From show group, what you see? Headings of rows and column will be gone. A B C D 1 2 3 will be gone. Grid lines, see, cells are gone completely. And formula bar is completely gone. Yeah, so this is use of show group. In zoom, 100% zoom and zoom to selection. Okay, see, for zoom you get different percentages. You can zoom in any of the form. Let's say I did this and click OK. Now I am unable to see it, and just after one click I want to back to the normal zoom. So what I do, I will click on 100% zoom and I'll back to normal. Yes. Zoom to selection, it will automatically zoom the max, which is 400%. Okay. Yes. Again we'll click on 100 and back to normal. New windows, arrange windows, and freeze pane. In very first video we did this freezing pane. Freeze pane, freeze top row, and freeze first column. Okay, in this we freeze. What is being written here? Keep row and column to scroll through the entire worksheet. Like if I scroll this, so this much row will always be together. Okay, this much row will always be together. Which one? 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and in column C D E F. Okay, now let's do this normal. Unfreeze the pane. Okay, now we are able to see 1 2 3. Okay, earlier this was completely hidden. Freeze top row. Whenever we design table, we need to put an heading. Like in an earlier example, if I want to put a heading here, name, section, and class. Now if I scroll this, the number 1 first row will go with it. But if I select this and to freeze top row, what it will do? It will freeze top row for me, and wherever I scroll, top row always be with me. Okay, let's remove this row, unfreeze. Okay, now freeze first column. It will freeze first column, like top row, then row number 1, column is this. So if we click on this and click on freeze first column, what it will do? It will freeze first column. Okay, now let's unfreeze it. Okay, see, now new window. What new window do? It's completely make you a new window. Okay, arrange all means the windows that are the multiple windows, it give you option to arrange them in what, in what form you want to arrange them. Title, tiled, horizontal, vertical, cascade. Okay, split, hide. It will split your sheet, it will hide your sheet. Yes, switch window. If you are if you have multiple sheets or multiple windows, let me show you how. Practically I opened this debugging file and one more file, which is employees data sheet. Okay, employees data sheet. Now if I want to switch in the another one, what will I do? I will just maybe my employees data sheet isn't opened. It is not opening due to some reason. Okay, we have two extra books here. Debugging, book number 1, book number 2. Yes, if I want, I can switch in it. Yeah, I can switch from here only. See? Okay, now macros. See, macros are bit advanced topic and we'll cover those in developer option. In developer option we have macros. Okay, the option. Achha, what are macros? Basically we have functions, right? And it is not possible to provide each and every function according to human need. So Microsoft has provided us that if you need any function and we didn't provide you, then make your own. Okay, so this is how macro is used. We have two options. We can do code to, or we can record macro. Record means the repetitive task. What is macro? VBA macros. Basically macros are those things which we repeatedly do each and every time, like selection of table and highlighting that. So we can assign them that particular work a shortcut key, and from the next time if we press that shortcut key, it will do it automatically for us. Okay, and use relative references. For example, I have written here name, section and class. Okay, so if I hadn't used that option, use relative references, then it will only perform task in first row and top 3 columns. First 3 columns only. But if I use that option, then I can make my table anywhere in the sheet, and if I press that shortcut key, it will automatically select that and highlight that, or whatever the editing formatting feature we had performed earlier, it will do that for us. Okay, so this is done. This much for today. We'll continue from the next chapter, next class, next project. Bye bye. Have a good day.